Hebei Jingji Lifting Technology Company Limited is located in the hometown of hoisting products, Hebei Province, Qingyuan County. Hebei Jingji Lifting Technology Company Limited has about 20 years' experience in produce air hydraulic jack, bottle jack, floor jack, and tire changer machine, air compressor, truck tire stacker, tire lifter, air impact wrench, tire bead seater, brake shoe riveting machine, truck brake lining remover, truck bearing cleaning machine, truck bearing oil machine, engine shop crane, etc. We dedicate to be whole solution provider of heavy-duty vehicle repair tools, especially for truck and bus. And our products exported to most countries of world with a long great reputation. Our company set up a series of strict framework of management and perfect system of quality guarantee, as well as check methods. In the spirit of regarding science and technology as previous guidelines, existing through great quality, developing through credit, seeking benefit by strict management, with excellent quality, good service, and excellent reputation, we win all customers' trust. During last 20 years hard working, our experienced team always keep updating and supplying to market with stable quality products and competitive prices. We passed the CE from TUV System Certification in 2020, also got ISO 9001 Quality System Certification in 2021. Our products accepted by People's Insurance Company of China. Jingji Lifting warmly welcome all friends domestic and abroad visit and establish nice cooperations.